My name is Sridevi and today I am singing Sri Ramachandra Kripalu. This is written by Sri Tulsidas. And this song is about Sri Rama's beauty and his great qualities. In the Pallavi you see Kanja always, like meaning it's lotus. So his lotus feet, lotus eyes and everything. And here it goes. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. Navakanjalochana Kanjamukakara Kanjapada Kanjarudam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Kandarpa Aganita Amita Chavi Navanila Neeraja Sundaram Patapita Manamu Tadita Ruchi Shuchi Navami Janaka Sutta Avaram. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Shiramukuta Kundala Tilaka Charu Udara Anga Vibhushanam Ajanu Bhujashara Chapadhara Sangrama Jita Garadushanam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Bhajodina Bandhu Dinesha Danava Daitya Vamsani Kandanam Raghunanda Ananda Kanda Koshala Chanda Dasaradhanandanam. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. Iti vadati Tulasi Dasa Shankara Sesha Muni Mana Ranjanam Mama Hrudaya Kanjani Vasa Kuru Kamadi Kalagalaganjanam. Shri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana Harana Bhava Bhayadarunam. Navakanja Lochana